In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a snow effect here in Adobe Express. So, first of all, make sure you are on the official website of Adobe Express and already logged in with your credentials. So, in here, on the left side, you will see the plus button. So, click on that to start with a new project or a template you want to begin with. So, in order to have a snow effect, click on that, and then in here you will see different sizes for your project. So I will choose the landscape for just to give you all an example, and it will generate a sizes. So on the left side you will see different templates, and then in here to add a snow effect, click the elements, and then you can search for snows or snow png if you want. And you can also check for a background available here in Adobe Express. So for an example, I just click on this image and then set it to all, and then search for snow flakes. So as you can see on the section for design assets, we have a PNG style of snowflakes here in here. So we can check in here. So simply click the see all or the arrow to see it. So this is a paid version of I mean paid assets here in Adobe Express. So you'll need to avail their plan in order to have an access in here. So as you can see, this is the snowflakes or snow effects I was talking about. So you can add assets for a snow effects in here in order to achieve that effect. And you can also download from Google a PNG if you want a free snowflakes elements in here. And that's it. That's how you add effects here in Adobe Express. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.